We coming off the 565, getting onto Alabama 20, which runs parallel to 565, and this is where the dealership is. This guy in the BMW has been trying to pass me for the last 10 minutes. I keep getting in front of him.
Maybe he's actually following you.
Maybe he wants this truck. He's gonna make me a deal. Okay. Look at this little town.
Yeah. It's historic.
Up in there.
Building down there. Wow. Fancy. Nifty Nino. What? Now, Freightliner. The light is still orange. How far did you just drive?
Like 50 miles with the amber light on.
50. And nothing has changed. We didn't hear any strange noises. It didn't behave.
Good. Everybody's happy.
Light is still orange, not
Probably
red.
Just a computer thing. They can reset it unless they find a sensor they have to replace. Order from Indonesia on a slow boat.
In 2 miles, turn left, then turn left.
Okay. See a dealership here?
2 miles, she said.
Velocity Freightliner.
2 miles, that's a ways.
That's to the exit to get us back.
Oh, but she's still programmed for
Is
delivery.
Freightliner.
Well, there's a lot of trucks here.
Sign 1 mile ahead, turn right.
Oh, velocity?
Yep.
Good spotting, Kevin.
Left, then turn left.
Get in here.
Receiving, it says receiving there.
We're not delivering.
Service,
no
it says
trucks.
service on the other side. Where does it say no trucks?
Right in front of me.
Where does it say service?
On the far side there. But you
In
might want to
2.5
just leave it here and
miles,
walk
exit right,
first and
then
check
keep
it out
left.
before you get stuck somewhere.
Walking in all the cars or something nice.
I'll stay here and guard it if you like.
No, let's go look over there.
Parking lot?
In 3/4 mile, turn left, then turn left.
Shiny dump trucks. Wow.
Yeah, if you're under load, where are you supposed to park, man? Got a trailer here. We're parking for bobtails, right? I gotta be careful with my clock here.
You're going off the clock? Hey, there's a Harley dealer across the road. I can think of some alternative transportation for us, honey. And there's an RV. My goodness. So many options here. I see trucks behind, but...
Yeah, I'm gonna go in and shut the thing off, so you're gonna have to come with me or sit here and
yeah, I'll
bait,
come
right?
with you because it's hot. Okay. We're gonna drop the trailer off in the back. And they had some nice chocolates in there. Thank you.
In 2.5 miles, exit right, then keep left.
Kevin, what did they tell you?
Told me the mechanics were all out to lunch, and she'll let me know as soon as they get back, and somebody will come and look at it. And I told her I got a loaded trailer. She said, drop the trailer at the back and bobtail to the front and wait till your has to come in. park in the field.
Up that little incline.
Yeah. Head right out there to the farm. Hope we can fit our trailer.
If you can drive over to those sprinklers, you could get a nice fertilizer rinse, maybe a wax.
That's set up for 45.
We're seeing the motorhomes here. Does that mean Freightliner does engines for motorhomes?
Yeah, those are diesel.
But I thought this was a Ford engine. But then Freightliner looks after it.
What's a Ford engine?
I thought the Freightliner has a Ford engine. No?
No, I don't remember ever saying that.
Oh.
Freightliner has a Detroit diesel.
And that's their own company?
No,
It's a different company.
an engine company.
Okay. Driver's lounge at the Freightliner here. What? Look at this. Videos, books, comfy seats, kitchen, and laundry. What?
Here's a shower.
And shower?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Look at that.
I think you gotta bring your own towel.
Well, we have a towel.
And the sinks in the bathroom.
Nice.
For shaving and stuff.
Wouldn't be so terrible to spend a reset here. I mean,
Plenty to heat.
and the free chocolate at the service desk and a store.
Let's see what's in the store.
Let's see what's in the store.
There's one thing
Nice.
in here.
Yeah, we can find something. I can always find something. Like a nice new truck. How about we buy a nice new truck? 2023. The door's open. Okay, you know what? We're going to make you a separate video where we'll give you a tour of this 2023 Freightliner. So be sure to watch that one. But we're going to continue with our original story here now. Back to our orange light. And what does that mean?
Sure.
Look at this. That was our last load. It was from Dial. Maybe we brought it.
asset manager about half an hour ago, and he said it was up to the planner whether they're going to T-call it or still let me try to deliver it. So we hadn't heard back from the customer.
Projected T-call location at yep, it's projected. So I guess they haven't routed it, put a route on it yet.
Right.
But your trip was the 385254.
Yep.
Okay, good deal, good deal. Okay, I will go ahead and
And we have to go to a hotel, which is gonna be fun. They have a pool and a hot tub. We're gonna order in dinner, watch TV. It's an adventure. It's a hot date. Kevin will explain to you what they found out, but I can tell you that nothing we can do tonight except go chill out. We did finish our load of laundry, so that was nice, and here is our ride to the hotel. And here we are. Best Western Plus. Look at this trucker relaxing over here. Hey, Kevin, how is it?
Very comfortable. Smells clean. Looking forward to a soak in the tub tonight.
Yeah.
And a long snooze on that bed, that king size bed over there.
Yeah. If you missed the noise from the truck stop, we could watch one of our own videos. Just
Yeah.
listen to that engine
Open the window there.
background noise. Pretty nice. There's a pool and a hot tub. There's a nice lounge. There's going to be buffet breakfast from 6 to 10. So, nice bathroom setup. There is a tub, which makes Kevin very happy. And we are in Madison, Alabama, off of I-65, Kevin? I-65? No, we turned off I-65 onto 258.
On to 565.
565?
Into Madison.
Okay. So, now we gotta figure out dinner.
Looking for restaurants close by. Because we're going to walk. Right?
Yeah. And shout out to Tim, who picked us up in the Best Western shuttle,
Yeah.
which was a nice 2022 Ford Explorer, very smooth, very quiet.
Very
And he
nice.
explained all the different buttons, and it's very modern. Just a little turn dial.
Hi, Tim.
Yeah, so shout out to Tim, our newest subscriber. Thanks for subscribing to our channel, and thanks for bringing us here on our reset vacation.
Yeah.
Because Kevin has run out of hours.
I ran out of hours, and it's so fortunate that the truck breaks down just at that moment.
Well, was it that thing you jammed in the... Oh, what? Oh, I'm not supposed to talk about that?
Yeah. He's fired.
And look at the size of this gym. Wow. I know where Kevin's gonna be tomorrow morning. No, you can't take it to the restaurant with us tonight, honey. No. Leave it here. Leave it here. No, you can't bring the ball. No.
Mañana.
That reminded me of, was it at Disney World? Not Disney World, Universal Studios or something. Those big boulders come down, and then they're just made of some light little paper mache or something. So I don't think you had to groan that hard for, here, hon, over here, for lifting that huge ball.
Hey,
Love birds.
are they fighting or mating?
I think they're mating.
I think they're fighting. Yeah. He's saying, "Where's my dinner?" She's saying, get your shoes off in the house. Oh, no, he's sleeping outside. Hi.
There's a hot tub at the end too. Nice.
Put it in under cash, leave it under the incident report, or just say, Mr. will take care of it.
Hi.
Iced tea?
Yeah.
Iced tea?
Sweet
and,
iced tea.
And a margarita. Feels like vacation.
Yeah. It's a reset.
Yeah, we're at Logan's Roadhouse, and they have mesquite smoked deliciousness on the menu. So I'm either gonna have something like that or the ribs. You?
Teriyaki chicken.
Nice choice.
It's marinated and then grilled over the mesquite grill.
And your choice of sides?
Sweet potato and steamed broccoli.
Nice.
I'm impressed how they're saying
It looks good. It's very good.
Is it? Huh?
Tender.
Good. Here's mine.
Nice. See how big it is? It's bigger than me. Look. There you go. Oh. Look at that.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. You can put comments and questions below. Have you been to this Velocity or any Velocity? How about a Logan's Roadhouse? What's your favorite meal there? Let us know. And hey, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so yet. If you love traveling the roads of America and learning about trucking and having little reset vacations. All right, we hope you have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.